So the official list has just been released with 40 jobs that AI is about to replace. And you might want to pay attention to this because your job might just be on this list.
So the CEO of Amazon telling the company's employees that some of their jobs will be replaced by AI.
He believes it could also lead to half of entry-level white-collar jobs disappearing and 10 to 20% unemployment in the next 1 to 5 years.
The unemployment rate for new college grads has recently surged, and some economists say businesses are now replacing entry-level jobs with artificial intelligence.
And I'm not talking about jobs that you probably expect, because some of them on this list actually shocked me. I'm talking about jobs that people have gone to college for, the ones they have worked for decades in schools, newsrooms, finance. These are some of the jobs that were thought to be completely safe. So if you've ever been thinking AI could never do what I do, you might want to think again. But don't worry, I'm about to give you the complete list of all 40 jobs that AI is coming for. What's up, guys? This is Monique and welcome back to the channel. I am definitely back with the news that you can use. But first, if you are new here, hello, bonjour, hola, aloha, konnichiwa, wagwan, shalom, assalamu alaikum, jambo chow. Namaste. So Microsoft, one of the biggest players in tech, just released a study showing the jobs that's about to get hit the hardest. And before we dive in, I just want to let you know I am not sharing this list with you to scare you, but rather to prepare you. Because the truth is, AI is moving fast. And if you are not watching where it's going or take advantage of it now, then it might just run right over your paycheck. So let's dive into the list, and we're going to start with the jobs that you probably already expected AI to take over. And the first is going to be customer service representatives. Because let's be real, you've probably already had to yell into a phone operator or representative just to talk to a human. Let me tell you something, AI has already been clocked in. And now it has advanced even more, holding full conversations, it's able to track packages, it can solve tech issues, and it fakes empathy. Like, oh, I'm sorry to hear that. And of course, you know, the companies love it. Why? Because AI don't complain, they don't sleep, and they don't need PTO. And that's the same with other call-heavy jobs like telemarketers. Telephone operators are on the list. We have switchboard operators and even public safety telecommunicators. These are the roles that are being currently tested, and some already replaced by AI, because AI can make 1,000 calls in an hour. They can read a script flawlessly and even adjust its tone depending on who picks up. It can route calls, detect urgency, and handle emergency dispatch. So my question is, the next time you call 911, would you be comfortable with AI answering your call instead of a human? Let me know what you think down in the comments. But let's get into the next jobs on the list. And these are jobs that are already hanging on by a thread. We're talking about ticket agents, travel clerks. We have counter and rental clerks, concierges, hosts, and hostesses. The next time you go to an airport, a hotel lobby, or even go to rent a car, just take a look around. And if you see any of those self-service kiosks or those big screens that say touch here to start, that's not just for convenience. That's actually someone's job gone. AI can now handle check-ins, upgrades, baggage tags, boarding cars, car rentals. They can even book your dinner reservations. And I've already seen some of this in real life happening inside of restaurants with QR codes replacing menus. And you can order right from your table without needing anyone to come. And that's one less job available. But if we look back into the list, the next section that we have are writers and authors, journalists, news analysts, technical writers, editors, proofreaders, and copy markers. These used to be some of the safest creative lanes for you to get into. But now AI is out here writing full-on novels, blogs. They can write press releases, entire scripts. And the thing is, they can do it in a matter of seconds to a few minutes. There are companies that are out here using AI to edit and fact check their own work. And it said that entire newsrooms are downgrading because local journalists are being replaced by AI generated reports. And there are actually AI reporters out there. I've created some AI news channels myself, so I know how real this can get. So moving on to our next group of jobs that are up to be replaced. These are going to be sales representatives, advertising sales agents, demonstrators, and product promoters. And there's public relations specialists. And why are these on the chopping block? Because AI is studying every successful pitch. It can read your customer's behavior, test 100 ad headlines in under a minute. It can also create high converting emails, design full marketing campaigns, and create product demos, logos, and slides. These are things that we used to need human assistance with, but now AI is taking over. It can handle press releases and predict PR disasters before they even happen, like they're out here Olivia Pope on steroids. So let's see what else is on this list that has been released by Microsoft, saying the jobs that AI is about to replace. And this next list hits a little different because we are talking about teachers and educators.
Well, from teens using it for homework hacks to some schools outright embracing the tech, it's no secret that artificial intelligence is shaking up the classroom. Now, the boldest claim yet that AI can teach our kids better than we can.
But listen, before you start panicking, not all teachers are on this list for being at risk. This points more so towards business teachers, economic teachers, library science teachers, and farm and home management educators. They are saying more of the college level professors and specialized educators are the ones that are at risk for being replaced by AI. And that's because AI can now create entire lesson plans and it can even deliver lectures. Today, people are turning quicker to AI than anything else to learn about business, how to invest. They may even ask questions about how to run a farm, how to build something. And this is all being done through AI tools. So that means no tuition, no midterm, and no $300 textbooks. Now, no, this does not mean that teachers are not needed, because they definitely are. But the way we teach needs to evolve with the time. Now, let me know what you think about that one down in the comments. But let's see what the next group of jobs on this list is. And this is going to be the finance field. If you thought that was safe, it's time to think again, because this list is including new account clerks, brokerage clerks, and personal finance advisors. AI can now set up accounts. They can verify customer identity. They are flagging fraud. It can even automate retirement plans. Of course, it can track spending habits, analyze risk tolerance, and it can recommend the perfect portfolio. And it can do all of this in seconds. But listen, the type of jobs that fall under this does not stop there. They also include mathematicians, statistical assistants, data scientists, market research analysts, and management analysts. All of these are also on the chopping blocks because AI can now run complex simulations. They can build predictive models. They can do a lot of the stuff that these roles required. And one of the things I've personally seen is that Excel sheet that you are probably struggling with for the past hour, they can now do in seconds and send it before you blink your eyes. So the list continues, and this time there is another shift. This one is pointing towards political scientists. Listen, if you did not know this, let me tell you, AI is being used to analyze voter data, and it can predict election outcomes. It can even draft mock legislation. It's so advanced because of the fact that every single government report ever written, it can read through that in minutes. Also, we have historians and archivists. These roles include collecting, organizing, preserving, and teaching about information. But AI can pull references from centuries ago, including understanding, interpreting, and reading handwritten notes from centuries ago. This is a task that could have taken up to a week in a library archive, but now AI can do this in like 20 seconds. Another job on this list is geographers. AI is now being used in satellite mapping, urban planning, land surveys, and environmental predictions. It can predict climate change. It can design smarter cities. What used to require teams of researchers can now be modeled by AI tools. We also have the language and communication pros, like the interpreters and translators, because of course I have used this myself, so I know personally that AI tools can translate text, speech, and subtitles in seconds. They can do multiple languages. They can pick up on regional dialects. They can even match your tone and voice. I have actually had my voice cloned. We are almost through this list. Next, we have web developers and CNC tool programmers. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I had to Google what in the world is this about, because I have no idea what a CNC tool programmer is, but I know it's a job and I know it matters. And what I found was that there was a time that it was needed for you to learn HTML, CSS, and JavaScript just to build a home page. But now you can describe what type of job you are building in a simple sentence, and AI will completely make a website for you, and they'll make it SEO optimized and all. Again, I know this personally because I use AI tools to do just that. But those were jobs that were definitely needed just a few years ago. Now it's replaced by AI. Now this next one on the list is one that I did not even expect to be on here, and that's going to be models. Yes, even models are not safe anymore, because now we have AI generating models that don't age, and they can show off your products. They are customizable, they are brand safe, and they work 24/7 for a fraction of the cost. I'm telling you, entire campaigns are now being run by AI generated faces. And the craziest part is most people can't even tell the difference. I just recently did a video showing how these AI generated people look so real, and it's hard to tell the difference unless you look really close. But the last one on the list is another one that kind of surprised me as well, and this one was passenger attendants. Now, we definitely still need a human touch on the plane, because I'm not getting on one that don't have it. But automation is creeping in with in-flight announcements, digital ordering, and even robotic assistance in some international airlines. Now, let me know down below, would you ever get on a plane that had robots assisting you instead of humans? I'll go ahead on and cast my vote now and say Monique will not be there. Now listen, if you have found that your job was on this list, this is not the time to panic, but we have to pivot. Because here's the thing, although AI may be replacing some jobs, they are also creating entirely new ones. These are roles that did not exist even 5 years ago, but are making 6 figures or more. So I never want to leave you just on a bad note saying AI is taking this and doing that. What we have to do is learn the tools and use them to our advantage. And not that we're being lazy and just letting AI do everything for us, but we are using it to enhance our skills. So it is time to start building your digital skill set. You can automate some of the things you do, or even start a side hustle using some AI tools. We don't want to wait until the industry is disrupted. We want to start making those changes and moving towards the future now. And I have plenty of videos on this channel where I share many different ways that you can use AI to start a side hustle, start making some money, to just make life easier. I'll put a few links down in the description below, but I hope that this video has helped you out, has opened your eyes to something. Maybe you learned something new. Please like it, because that helps me out. Other than that, I thank you so much for watching, and until next time, we are out. Peace.